Anytime if I find a little trick or a hack in my home which has made my life easier and simpler, I make sure that I share it with you all. Hello and welcome. If it's your first time landing on my channel, my name is Rakhi and I make videos on home organization, life hacks, money saving tips and much more. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy and effective manner to remove rust from stainless steel using just two simple products which you must be already having at home. So let's do it. So we need baking soda and white vinegar. These are the two products that we will be using. You can start adding water little by little in order to make a thick paste so that it's easy to apply wherever the rust is. After the paste is ready, we start applying to the most rusty areas. I have this mirror which is with this white holder. It has a lot of rust in the center, so I'm going to begin with that. I apply the paste all over it and leave it for 5 more extra minutes in comparison to the towel holder, which has lots of rust, but it's all spread out on the base. So I'm going to be putting the paste on the entire base and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So that it dries out. Now I continue putting the paste on the mirror, and there these two have dried for around 20 minutes. I'm going to take a big steel bowl, put the towel holder and pour white vinegar on top. Now this reaction between baking soda and white vinegar is so effective that I could see results almost instantly. When I pour more white vinegar, as you'll see now, I can already see the rust melting and disappearing, making it shinier. If you don't like the smell of vinegar in your hands, don't forget to use any gloves that you must be having at home. We let this sit for around 10 minutes and we can start scrubbing with a toothbrush or any cleaning brush which you have at home. The towel holder is nearly clean. It's like 90% clean. I just have to scrub off the remaining vinegar. Now I'm going to put the mirror base into the vinegar, and since it's a bit more taller, I'm going to be adding little more white vinegar so that it covers the entire steel area. We leave it for more than an hour because this base of the mirror has rust which is much more than the towel holder. You can continue scrubbing with a brush, or you can also use a metal scrubber in order to remove the rest of the rust which might be still there. You can see the color of the water. All the rust has dissolved and the water is brown. That shows that the amount of rust that has come out from these items was quite a bit. Let's check on the mirror base. It still has stubborn rust which is stuck. So I'm going to leave it for 15 more minutes and then scrub it off. So now I have finished cleaning both the items thoroughly with water and I'm wiping them clean. You can still see the rust stains on the white cloth. I just love how they sparkle. They look beautiful. I'm sharing some before and after pictures so that you can see the huge difference.
If you thought this video offered some useful information, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss any future videos. I will see you soon again in the next one. Bye-bye.